Okay, we're going to talk about LBI and the AC205 report. So go into Lawson and sign in. Make sure that you use the E and the A, E before the user ID and A after. Press return, and you should already have your password set up and log in. When you go to Lawson, here's your main menu. Over here in the search bar, type AC205 and search. Okay, and name it anything you want. We'll call it AC205, and we'll call it 22 for February 2nd, which is today's date. Give it a name, AC205 group, and then your username will auto-populate here. Change the report type to 2, and click add if it's your first time. Change if you're refreshing. So we're adding it, and we're going to submit. And you'll get this dialog box. Click submit. Read the message down here. Job has been submitted. Then you want to wait a couple minutes. Well, maybe not a couple minutes. Go get a drink of water. Go get a cup of coffee. Then come back to your screen. Go to Print Manager. And here it is. It runs rather quickly. So to download it, click here on the put a check in the box. Go to Report Actions, click View, and you can ignore that and go right over here to the left, CSV, Create CSV. Then you get this dialog box down here, click Open. Then it quickly comes up in Excel. You want to click right here, and when this turns to, look at my cursor. Here it's a crossbar. When I hover here, it turns into a black crossbar. Just double click, and that auto sizes your columns. And then, so now we're ready to search for categories. There's a couple ways to do this. Let me show you one way. One way is to filter. Notice how I selected, and then I click the filter button, and these drop down arrows appear. Now here in the search, you can search on any keyword. Let's try sports. There's only one category, 1131. Of course, you would add the 0. If you're going to pop this into an upload, you would say single quote and a 0, and then copy that in. Okay. All right. We need the leading zeros on these categories, or they'll kick out. Let's try another search. Let's try tutoring, which is the most popular one. Tutoring. And you have all these tutorings. After usually means after school tutoring. But 1144 preceded by the 0, single quote 0. If you're going to pop it into an upload, that's what you would copy into the upload. Let's try one more. Let's try the word math. There's all the categories that have to do with math. Of course, your category needs to be 5 characters. These down here are already 5 characters, so no leading 0. But for categories that are 4 characters long, add 1 0, and so forth. For a single digit, you need to add 4 zeros. So in other words, single quote, 1, 2, 3, 4, and copy that in to your upload. Okay, the other way to do this is, for those of you who like to search, you would select column E and say Control Find, Control F, and look for tutoring. And then hit Next, 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 until you find the one that you like. Between the two methods, probably the former method that I suggested is superior because it returns all of the rows that have to do with your particular search word. Okay, so let me do that again. Tutoring. And there's several accounts there that have to do with tutoring. So that's pretty easy. The only hard part, let me close this. Oh, then you would save it. Don't forget to save it. File, save as, and put it in a place of your liking. I have a shortcut over here for my Excel docs. I'm going to change it to Excel and say save. Now you're ready to roll with categories for your uploads. So again, brief review, you start in Lawson, you search for AC205, and you fill in the name and the description of the report, choose option 2 for group listing, and run it, wait about 30 seconds, then go to Print Manager and pull it up and save it as an Excel file. All right, I hope that helps. Give me a call if you have any questions.